Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if you want to embed videos, showcase your channel, track conversions, or connect YouTube actions to automations from your Lovable website, integrating it with YouTube is the cleanest move in 2026. Most issues come from using the wrong embed type, privacy restrictions, unpublished pages, or misunderstanding what integration really means. We will clear all of that up. So in this step-by-step guide, I will show you how to integrate Lovable with YouTube in 2026 like a pro. So decide what kind of YouTube integration you need. So YouTube integration can mean different things, okay? Pick what you actually want. So most common use cases: embed a single YouTube video, embed a playlist, showcase your YouTube channel, okay? So now, embed a YouTube video. The most common step is using YouTube embed code. So in YouTube, open your video, okay, any video you have on YouTube, click share, okay, and then embed. So copy the iframe embed code, okay, in Lovable, click add elements, choose embed or HTML, paste the YouTube embed code, and then tap save. So this is the most reliable method, okay? You can use YouTube video URL if supported. So some Lovable blocks allow pasting a video URL directly. So paste the YouTube link, let Lovable auto render the video, and if it fails, use the embed code instead. So thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.